Voynich Manuscript, the book no one can read. In the world of unsolved mysteries, one ancient book has puzzled scientists, linguists, and codebreakers for over 6 centuries. A book written in a language no one can read, filled with strange plants, unknown stars, and secrets lost to time. This is the Voynich Manuscript, the most mysterious book ever found the discovery. The story begins in 1912, when a Polish book dealer named Wilfred Voynich discovered a strange manuscript in an old Italian monastery. Its 240 pages were covered in strange handwriting, looping letters, and beautiful drawings of plants that don't exist anywhere on Earth. Even the stars and diagrams looked wrong, like a world no human had ever seen. The unsolvable code. For more than 100 years, experts have tried to read it. Linguists, cryptographers, and even military codebreakers from World War II studied it and failed. The language doesn't match any known alphabet. The text flows naturally, as if written with meaning. Yet no one understands a single word. Some call it a lost scientific journal from a forgotten civilization. Others think it's an elaborate hoax created to fool kings and scholars. Modern research, in recent years, artificial intelligence has been used to study the book. Some algorithms claim it's written in a lost form of ancient Hebrew. Others say it's pure nonsense, random letters made to look meaningful. But no one agrees. The deeper researchers look, the stranger the book becomes. Every test, every scan, every theory ends the same way, in mystery. Outro. Today, the Voynich Manuscript rests safely in Yale University's library. Unread, untranslated, and unsolved. Who wrote it? What does it mean? And most importantly, was it ever meant to be understood?